Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gayatri's Chemistry. Today our topic is methods of preparation of haloarenes. So how haloarenes are formed? When benzene on addition of halogens or treated with halogens, they form haloarenes. Here the halogens added on benzene and along with one hydrogen another halogen is removed as HX. So here the haloarenes are formed. And let's take the methods of preparations of haloarenes. And the first method is from benzene. The first method of preparation from benzene. So benzene, when benzene on direct chlorination or bromination in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or Lewis acids like anhydrous FeCl3 or anhydrous aluminum chloride to form corresponding chlorobenzenes or bromobenzenes. See with an example. Chlorobenzene. In the same way, benzene on bromination in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form bromobenzene. So, see from benzene, when benzene on chlorination or bromination in presence of Lewis acids like anhydrous FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3, they form corresponding chlorobenzenes and bromobenzenes. This is one of the method of preparation of the haloarenes. See halogen on the arene. This is haloarenes prepared from benzene. And the second method is very important, that is from Sandmeyer's reaction. From benzene diazonium salts. See, Sandmeyer reaction is a very important named reaction when benzene diazonium salts on benzene and here. This is benzene diazonium salt. Because on benzene two nitrogen groups are present. So diazo salts. This is a salt because N plus Cl minus. On benzene diazonium salts which is on treated with cuprous fluoride and dissolved in HCl. This benzene diazonium chloride treated with cuprous chloride and dissolved in HCl, so that they form chlorobenzene. What they form? They form chlorobenzene. See, this is a haloarene. Along with the nitrogen gas is removed. So, this is a Sandmeyer reaction. What is Sandmeyer reaction? When benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium salts treated with the cuprous chloride dissolved in HCl to form chlorobenzenes. So, this is Sandmeyer reaction, and the next reaction is Gattermann's reaction. Note down the reaction. The next reaction is Gattermann's reaction. The next reaction is Gattermann's reaction. See what is Gattermann's reaction. Gattermann's reaction is modified from Sandmeyer's reaction. The next reaction is Gattermann's reaction. Here also, when benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride, shortly BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, treated with freshly prepared copper powder and mixed with HCl, dissolved in HCl, and here it is being heated so that to form chlorobenzene. Corresponding chlorobenzenes are formed. Chlorobenzene. So Gattermann reaction is always same to as a Sandmeyer reaction because it is modified Sandmeyer reaction. See, in Sandmeyer reaction we have taken same benzene diazonium chloride. Sandmeyer reaction we have taken cuprous chloride in HCl, but Gattermann's reaction we have taken freshly prepared copper powder heated with HCl to form corresponding chlorobenzenes, and nitrogen is removed. This is haloarenes preparation, one of the method. Write down the method. So the next one is from benzoic, silver salts of benzoic acid. The next one is from silver salts of benzoic acid. From silver salts of benzoic acid. Silver salts of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. What is benzoic acid? On benzene, COOH is present. This is benzoic acid, but in place of H, silver, Ag is present. This is a silver salt of benzoic acid. Silver salt of benzoic acid. So when silver salts of benzoic acids, treated with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride. Okay, in presence of carbon tetrachloride heated with bromine, they form the haloarenes, that is on benzene. Bromine is present. This is haloarene and the name is bromobenzene plus AgBr and carbon dioxide gas is removed. This is from silver salts of benzoic acid treated on bromination heated with carbon tetrachloride CCl4 to form bromobenzene. AgBr and carbon dioxide is removed. This is one of the method of preparation of haloarenes. I hope you understand how the haloarenes are formed. So for haloalkanes and methods of preparation of haloalkanes and chemical properties of haloalkanes, I have already given all these videos in playlist. For those videos you can go through the playlist. Thank you.